On the YouTube.
You been up here before?
No, I ain't never been out here before.
You ever been riding with the mini?
Yeah, I mean, when me and Andrew were kids, we used to go with Jeff just about, every weekend. We used to ride four-wheelers all the time, and then he got an old Samurai and an old CJ7. We rode with him for a while out of Livingston and stuff. I ain't never been since they got their new, these trucks.
That's all I've done so before. Dirt bikes, those trucking's new to me. Well, I got a Jeep, wasn't no count until I got that thing.
I'll tell you, do it.